we are still in the same topic, which is we are on the rate of reaction. Guys, so far we have learned about the fact, this one, what do you mean by rate? Which is, so far we have come to the conclusion, rate is inversely proportional with 1 over time taken. 1 over time taken. Then we also agree that it can be changed. Rate is equivalent to mass ataupun volume ataupun mole ataupun molar over with the time taken. So we already know that. Then after that we have learned about the graph, the product graph, and the reactant graph we have done. Then yesterday class we have go through about the factors, faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi kadar tindak balas. Faktor dia ada berapa faktor? Tell me. Ada berapa faktor yang mempengaruhi kadar tindak balas? 5 faktor yang mempengaruhi kadar tindak balas. Apa faktor-faktor dia? Bagi tahu saya again. Dia ada start dengan surface area. Okay, surface area juga dipanggil sebagai luas permukaan dalam bahasa Melayu, dan juga dia adalah this one, what do you say? Size. Dan kita ada temperature, dan kita ada concentration, kepekatan, dan kita ada catalyst. Catalyst kita semalam panjang lebar kita cerita pasal catalyst. Lepas ni jangan tanya saya apa tu catalyst. Catalyst adalah mangkin, Dan juga we have the last factor about the pressure cooker, DVR. Am I right? You are the one, So kita ada banyak story about that we have shared yesterday. Okay, we have shared yesterday. Now today guys, I'm gonna teach you one by one about the experiment. I'm going to teach you the experiment one by one. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Siapa nak buat? Okay, screen capture. I'm going to erase this. Okay, sekarang Okay, first factor adalah surface area. Okay. Surface area. Okay, guys, for your surface area ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu, luas permukaan. Luas permukaan. Guys, untuk yang ni, you kena ingat satu je eksperimen. You kena ingat eksperimen kalsium karbonat. Apa tu kalsium karbonat? Apa tu kalsium karbonat? What do you mean by a calcium? What is actually calcium carbonate? What is calcium carbonate? Yeah, calcium carbonate adalah batu kapur. Dia adalah batu kapur. It's a limestone. Dia adalah limestone. Batu kapur adalah limestone. Guys, as you can see over here, kat batu kapur ni dia dalam bentuk apa? Naturally, it is in what form? Batu kapur. Dan namanya batu. It is in a solid form. Jadi kan, apa yang berlaku, guys, I will tell you that actually kan, dia ada batu kapur yang gini. Okay, satu batu kapur, cube yang besar. You have a calcium carbonate. You nak buat apa tau? Okay, let's say this is your calcium carbonate. Besar. Then, you ketuk calcium carbonate ni, pecahkan calcium carbonate ni, dia jadi pecah, jadi serbuk. This is a lump. Ketulan. Dalam bahasa Melayu, ketulan, Dan juga kita ada powder. Dalam bentuk serbuk. So, kalau dalam bentuk serbuk, dia telah pecah dan jadi yang lebih kecil. Kecil. Ini apa yang hijau ni? Ini adalah calcium carbonate. Cuma saiz dia berubah. Okay? Size have been changed accordingly. Ini a big lump and this is in a powder form. Guys, can I ask you something? Bila calcium carbonate ni, dia dalam bentuk ketulan yang besar, surface area dia, luas dia, besar ke kecil? Oh, alamak. Sorry Farah, saya lupa kamu. Tak apa. Okey, yang ketulan besar ni, berketulan besar ni, dia punya luas dia tu, okey, dia punya luas ni adalah sangat kecil. And also this one is going to have, the green one is going to have a larger surface area. Luas dia lagi besar. Betul salah? Okay, guys, yesterday, do you agree with me? Kalau luas permukaan dia kecil, rate of reaction dia besar ke kecil? Rate of reaction dia besar ke kecil? Tinggi ke rendah? It's a high rate of reaction or the low rate of reaction? Which one? It's a low rate of reaction and this one will have a high rate of reaction. Apa maksud high rate of reaction? Cuba kaitkan dia dengan time. Cuba kaitkan dengan time. High rate of reaction. What do you mean by high rate of reaction? A low rate of reaction. Low rate of reaction, higher time taken. Higher rate of reaction, lower time taken. Okay, please keep this in the mind. Kita nak belajar benda ni. This is very important. This is very important. Okay, screen capture kan benda ni. Screen capture this thing. Okay, done ya. Done. Okay, good. Sekarang ni guys, you nak buat eksperimen apa tau? You ada kalsium karbonat, you ambil kalsium karbonat ni, you tambah dengan hydrochloric acid. Guys, jom kita buat equation dia dulu. Dia ada Ca2 plus, CO3 2 minus, you have a H plus, and you have a Cl minus. Tapi you nak kahwinkan dia kan? Tapi sekejap. Ini dah tak boleh pecah lagi. This one cannot be further break. This one cannot be further break. But in chemistry, when you get a carbonate, always keep in mind, it can be further break. Dia boleh pecah lagi. Dia akan pecah lagi jadi apa? CO2 dengan O2 minus. Maksudnya, ini dengan ini gabung jadi ini. Ini dengan ini gabung jadi yang ini. Dia macam piramid. It's like pyramid. Do you understand or not? Do you understand or not? Faham tak? Ini piramid scheme boleh lah. Okay. Okay, dengar sini. What I'm trying to say, you ambil Ca ni, you kahwinkan dengan Cl. Maka you dapat CaCl2 plus H dengan O2. You dapat H2O. Then, you tak ada yang ni. Okay, dia tak ada charge. Maka you just put CO2. Faham tak? Faham tak? Tapi, is this equation balanced? Is this equation balanced? Is this equation balanced? No, this is not balanced. Therefore, guys, what shall you do it? You letak, ni dua kan? So, you put 2 over here. Now, everything become balanced. Now, everything become balanced. Yes. What is that, Jeramia? Ya, Jeramia ada soalan. Which element have to break? The carbonate is not stable. Therefore, it will further break to carbon dioxide and O2. Oh, the importance, Jeramia, I will list that a bit later, not now. Okay? So, you just focus on this. So, maksudnya guys, what I'm trying to say, when you have a calcium carbonate and you have a acid, it will release what other product? you ada kalsium klorida, ada air dan juga ada carbon dioxide. Guys, boleh tak saya tanya kamu by looking at this experiment, which product are you collecting? Produk apa yang kamu tengah kumpulkan? You tengah kumpulkan produk apa, my dear? No. Calcium carbonate is not. It is aqueous. Salah. Dia aqueous. No. Air tak. Sebenarnya kan, eksperimen ini membebaskan carbon dioxide gas. Maka senanglah saya nak kumpulkan isi padu carbon dioxide. Senanglah bagi saya kumpulkan isi padu carbon dioxide. That's the main thing. Jadi, you dah dapat idea dah. Reaction ni kalau dia cakap rate, maka yang saya tengah kumpulkan adalah volume of carbon dioxide divide by time taken. Ini adalah your punya orang kata formula. Khalida join tak? Oh, okay. Sebab saya tak nampak Khalida tadi. Okay, good. Okay, so this is how you do it. Guys, tetapi eksperimen ni ada nama dia. Eksperimen ni dipanggil, nama eksperimen ni adalah water displacement. Water displacement reaction. Water displacement reaction. Dalam bahasa Melayu, sesaran air. Sesaran air. Sesaran air. Okay, Dan. Dan. Dan ke? Okay, good. Good. Sekarang ni guys, now is the turn, macam mana eksperimen dia look like? Macam mana eksperimen dia look like? That is the question. That is the question. So, jom kita tengok experimental setup. Dia kan ingat, macam mana kita nak kumpulkan carbon dioxide? Macam mana kita nak kumpulkan carbon dioxide? Macam mana kita nak kumpulkan carbon dioxide? Ada idea tak? Ada idea tak? Liquid nitrogen, Farah, kau buat eksperimen apa ni? Dah tahap dewa dah aku dengar. Macam ni. Dia simple je guys. You ada, kejap You ada ini, a flux, kelalang. Dalam kelalang ini, kamu letak HCl. Lepas tu kamu letak ketulan. Ini apa? Ini adalah your calcium carbonate. Guys, ini akan bertindak balas. You kena ingat. Then, you akan sambungkan dia dengan tiub penghantar. Dia akan sambungkan dengan tiub penghantar. Delivering tube. A delivering tube. So, maksudnya, ini akan membebaskan dia akan membebaskan carbon dioxide. Maksudnya kan, carbon dioxide. Kamu kena tak kumpul? Do you need the carbon dioxide? Are you going to calculate the carbon dioxide? Yes or no? Kamu nak kumpul ke tak? Nak kan? Jadi apa you going to do? You sambungkan tube ni, diletak tube ni dalam a bigger beaker. Beaker ke whatever lah you letak. Dalam beaker ini, my dear, you isikan dia dengan water. Dan guys, on the top of this thing, you letak a burette. A burette. Comel je burette. Okay. So what will happen, guys? Dia gas karbon dioksida datang kan, dia akan ada bubble, gas bubble. Blub 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 blub. Burette kan? Jadi dekat dalam ni, you kumpulkan carbon dioxide gas. So maksudnya kan apa tau? Maybe setiap contoh ya, you ada kosong, you kan nak, ingat lagi tak RV dengan MV yang saya ajar? Do you still remember the experiment that I teach you the RV and MV? Yang graph tu. Okay, dalam ni apa manipulated variable kamu? Manipulated variable. Bukan responding. Okay. Manipulated. Apa dia? Apa manipulated? Dalam kes ini, yang dimanipulasi adalah time taken. No. The time. Saya tak cakap size. Saya tak repeat pun. Saya baru bagi kalsium karbonat. Saya tak cakap pasal size. Therefore, the time taken. You are manipulating the time. Therefore, you have such as 0 second, 30 second, and 60 second, 90 second, maybe 120 second, and so on. And also, the responding variable adalah apa? What is your responding variable? Ya, pandai. Isi padu. Kan tadi saya awal-awal tu tadi saya dah cakap, ini adalah second, ini adalah cm cubic. Maksudnya guys, setiap 30 saat, you tengok dekat burette ini dan bacalah dia punya isi padu. Bacalah dia punya isi padu. Faham ke tak? And every 30 second, you going to look at the burette and you can read the reading of the burette. So you know, maybe yang ni maybe lah kosong, yang yang ini mungkinlah 10, 20, 30, 35, and so on. So from this data, guys, you going to plot the graph. You letaklah kat sini time. Kat sini you letaklah volume of carbon dioxide. Then you dapatlah graph yang gini. Inilah graph untuk eksperimen ini. Faham tak anak-anak sekalian? Yeah, of course lah. Eksperimen ini, burette ni tak akan berdiri dengan sendiri. You letaklah retort stand. Hold this. You hold this firmly and you get something like this. Okay, siapa nak salin? Hurry up. I give you some time. Okay, take some time. We not yet finished, my dear. Okay, done. Sekarang ni guys, we go back to the earlier. We go back to the earlier topic. This is the one. Guys, sekarang ni, you tadi buat dengan kalsium karbonat a big lump. You ada a big lump. Lepas tu, you gonna... Yes, it is water only. And also, you going to repeat the same experiment using this one. Dia adalah size dia sekarang berubah. Eksperimen setup dia sama sahaja. Tapi size dia berubah accordingly. Okay. So what happened? 1 minute. Okay, done. Okay, now you look at here. You have the lamp and everything is done. So, apa yang berlaku sekarang kita nak buat? Ingat ya guys, this is very very important. Smaller surface area. Luas permukaan dia kecil. The rate of reaction is low. And the time taken will be high. Luas permukaan dia besar, rate of reaction dia tinggi dan juga time taken is low. Tapi kan ada student yang akan confuse dengan size. Ingat guys, luas yang kecil, size dia besar ke kecil? Size dia besar ke kecil? Size dia besar ke kecil? Guys, size is bigger. Over here, the size is smaller. Sebab luas kecil, size besar. Luas besar, size kecil. Please keep this in the mind. Please. Sekarang kita nak lukis graf. Guys, sebelum ni, I teach you to draw the graph. One graph like this, one graph like this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, what I'm going to do, saya nak gabung two graph. These two graphs become in one single graph. Kita gabung, dia jadi one graph. Dia gabung jadi one graph. So, dah salin kan? Saya nak padam ni. Okay, done. So, what I'm trying to say, saya guna ada dua eksperimen. Eksperimen pertama, 5 gram calcium carbonate reacted lumped. Reacted with 0.5 molar 50 cm cubic HCl. Ni eksperimen yang pertama. Eksperimen yang kedua sama je. 5 gram calcium carbonate powder. Reacted with 0.5 molar 50 cm cubic HCl. Guys, saya nak kamu lukis graf untuk ni. Lukis sekarang. Dua graf dalam satu. 2 in 1. Do it, Noah. Draw now. Done? Okay, guys, have you done or not? Have you done or not? Yeah, you just need to sketch the graph. No need to go in detail. Hurry up. Tell me. Done? Okay, now we look the answer. Guys, have you done or not? Sekejap, Have you done or not? Okay, now we look the answer. Guys, have you done or not? Have you done or not? Yeah, you just need to sketch the graph. No need to go in detail. Hurry up. Tell me. Done? Guys, have you done? Okay. Now, guys. Okay. First of all, you come up with the equation. CaCO3 plus HCl give you CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Then you letaklah dua kat sini, dah seimbang. So you are collecting the carbon dioxide. Then guys, You lukislah paksi X, paksi Y. This will be labeled volume of carbon dioxide. Dalam unit apa? cm cubic. Then, time taken in second. Guys, carbon dioxide is a product or reactant? A product or reactant? Dia product ke reactant, carbon dioxide? A product. Therefore, the graph will going up or down. Dia pergi atas ke bawah? Carbon dioxide. It's gonna be upward. Okay. Okay. Guys, lepas tu, you buat eksperimen yang ni hampir sama dengan powder. So, we know this one going to have a low rate of reaction. This one going to have a high rate of reaction. What do you mean by low rate of reaction? Time taken is high. And this one, time taken are very, very short. Dia pendek. Maksudnya guys, oh tak balance Sorry. Patutnya 2 kat sini kan? Sorry. Okay, sorry. So what happened? You listen. Tadi, sebab apa tau? Tadi saya nampak, ni. Saya nampak ni, ada H2O dekat sini. Saya tak nampak H2O ni, saya nampak HCl. That's why saya letak 2 kat sini. Okay, done. Okay, dengar confused a bit So what happened? Now, you're gonna draw another curve. Something like this. Guys, now you have a blue line and you have a green line. Blue line and green line. Kita nak tahu which one is the lumped ketulan, which one is the powder. Clue yang kamu ada satu. Iaitu, lumped have a longer time. Betul ke salah? Lumped have a longer time. Yes or no? Lumped, ketulan mempunyai longer time. Therefore kan guys, you tengoklah. Ingat tak? In the yesterday class, dalam kelas yang sebelum ini, saya pernah cakap apa maksud dia dah jadi straight? Apa maksud dia jadi straight? Reacted. Dia dah habis bertindak balas. Yes, Amita, you are right. Experiment done. Maksudnya guys, untuk hijau, this is the end point. Untuk biru, inilah end point dia. Faham tak guys? Do you understand or not? This is your T1 and this is your T2. Faham ke tak guys? Please. Jadikan guys, I would like to ask you, blue line and the green line, which one have the shorter time? The blue line or the green line? Kalau blue line is a shorter time, if the blue line is a shorter time, the rate is high or low? It's have a high rate of reaction. Maka the green one have a low rate of reaction. Guys, if the blue have a high rate of reaction, who am I? The lump or the powder? Ketulan ke serbuk? Ketulan ke serbuk? The blue have a high rate of reaction. Therefore, inilah your serbuk. Ini blue line tu adalah eksperimen untuk serbuk. Yang green line itu adalah eksperimen untuk ketulan. Inilah jawapan dia. This is the answer. Faham tak? So whoever please screen capture this thing. Any question? Any question? Yes, no? Okay, good. 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 Guys, can I ask you something? I would like to ask you, in your opinion, kenapa, okay, this is the blue line, and you have the green line also here and it's straight. My question, why the blue line and also the green line meet at the same point? Kenapa dia orang berjumpa dekat tempat yang sama? Kenapa dia orang jumpa dekat tempat yang sama? Yes, korang memang pandai. Dua-dua eksperimen korang perasan tak? Dia guna 5 gram. Both using the same mass. Same amount of the mass. So, both use the same mass of CaCO3. Inilah jawapan dia. Faham? Ya, betul Farihana. Betul? You are right. Dan saya nak modify sikit soalan ni. Saya nak kamu lukis graph and label. Are you ready? So, kalau Syakirin, itulah soalan saya yang berikut. Itulah soalan saya yang berikut. Okay, saya nak padam ya. Yeah, the reaction is completed. Sekarang ni guys, saya nak kamu lukis untuk yang ini. Okay. 5 gram calcium carbonate solid. Lump ya, lump. Okay, ketulan. Plus with reacted with 0.5 molar 50 cm cubic HCl. Ni yang first. Yang kedua, guys, 3 gram carbon dioxide powder reacted with 0.5 molar 50 cm cubic HCl. Okay, buat sekarang. Lukis sekarang. I give you 2 minutes. Lukis dan label macam saya ajar tadi. Hurry up. Maksudnya? Yeah, just lakarkan. Sketch the graph. No need to be use a graph paper yet. No need to use the graph paper yet. Done or not? Have you done or not? Yeah, you just need to sketch the graph. No need to go in detail. Hurry up. Tell me. Done? Guys, have you done or not? Have you done or not? Buat sekejap. Yeah, give me 1 minute. Tem- Done, babies. Have you done or not? Have you done or not? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 5 gram of calcium carbonate. Okay, macam ni guys. First of all kan, before you really do this question, you tengok siapa have a higher rate? The first one or the second one? The first one or second one? The rate. The second one will have a higher rate. This one have a lower rate. Then lower rate, higher rate. The time taken longer, the time taken shorter. Lukis graph. Lukis graph, volume and the time taken. Okay. Then you tengok sini. You tengok sini. So what I'm gonna do first of all, like this. Okay. Okay. This might be your T1. Okay. Then, okay, soalan saya, guys, tell me, graf dua-dua graf ni akan bertembung ke tak bertembung? Will that combine or not combine? Tak. Sebab the mass being used are different. The mass has been used is different. So what I'm gonna do, tapi. Yang number one ni, mass dia tinggi. Kalau mass kalsium karbonat tinggi, maka volume of carbon dioxide akan jadi lagi tinggi. Maka graf dia should be like this. This will be your T2. Faham tak? Faham tak? Rate dia, this one have a low rate, yang ni adalah high rate. Tapi, therefore, this is your lump, ini adalah powder, serbuk. Inilah jawapan dia. Inilah jawapan dia. Okay, done. Yes, the volume is different because the mass of calcium carbonate dia lain. More input, more output. Less input, less output. Tu je. Jisim banyak, banyaklah volume. Jisim sikit, sikitlah volume. Kalau dia sama, sama macam yang tadi. Perasan tak tadi saya ada bagi satu soalan. 5 gram, 5 gram, dua-dua sama. It shouldn't be a problem. Faham? Sekarang guys, okay, dah screen capture Dah screen capture, saya nak padam ni. Saya nak padam ni. Okay, guys, tolong lakarkan graf. Tolong lakarkan graf yang untuk eksperimen ini. Ini powder, ini lam. Buat saya dah terbalikkan dengan yang tadi Guys, have you done or not? Have you done or not? Yeah. Yeah, you just need to scratch the graph. No need to go in detail. Hurry up. Tell me. Done? Dah. Dah. Guys, dah ke? Sir, volume lain sebab the math. Okay, if the same, same lah. Betul lah. Good. Dah ke belum? Tak ada respon pun? Good. Aku dah. Banyak semut lah tempat saya duduk ni. Ya Allah. Semut merah pula tu. Okay. Saya manis sangat dia. Yelah, finding you of course you handsome macam-macam lah. Okay, jom. Okay, jom. Jom. So, first of all, you know the powder have a low rate. And the... mana powder low rate? High rate. And the lamp have the low rate. So, you know the time is low and the time is high. The mass are different. You must keep in the mind, the mass are different. Kita nak lukiskan graf. Gini. Volume of CO2 in cm cubic. Okay. And the time. Okay, dengar sini. You ada go up like this. Ni apa? Ini adalah T1. Kejap Ya, T1, T1. T1 rate dia tinggi. Then the lump is low kan, low kan. It's gonna be like this. Maybe saya guna warna lain It's gonna be like this. This will be your T2. High rate. This one is low rate powder. And this will be your lump. Faham ke tak? Siapa yang tak faham? Tell me now. Anyone yang tak faham? Dah. Anak-anak faham tak?